2024 has been a great year of progression for the Berthon Spain service team, particularly our engineering department, who are now official dealers for both Yanmar and Mercury. Our engineers have carried out 3 new Yanmar engine installations this year, including collaborating directly with Yanmar Spain for the commissioning and first startup. Our second dealership with Mercury Marine comes after many years of servicing outboards on super yacht tenders. Now, as official Mercury dealers, we can offer our clients an even better service. Our painting department has remained busy applying anti-foul and prop speed. We added gel coat and composite specialists to our team, expanding the skill set available in-house. Major electrical projects included a large solar panel installation on a Katana 65, 6 Starlink installations, navigation instrument refits and more programming of PLC systems. Yacht management and gardenage are still core parts of our service business, and we continue to add to our fleet in Palma. Our move to the new head office location in SDP shipyard was an important step for Berthon Spain. Having a presence in SDP keeps us at the heart of the super yacht scene in Palma and allows for continuing growth in the yacht service industry. We are excited to see what 2025 will bring to the yachting industry in Palma de Mallorca, and we hope to see you and your yacht here as well.